Yoo-hoo! Come on! Eat! Come on! Oh! Oh! There! Oh! Yay! Gaya! Gaya!
Kuha tayo ng isa, ulamin natin.
Hello. Tuwag-tuwa. Ay, natatakot. Natakot si Gaya. Natakot. Sorry, no more. Sorry, no more. See, I don't have any more. Sorry. You have to go back for swimming. Alright? Our meeting is adjourned. Okay? Our meeting is adjourned. Okay, guys. Now what we are doing today is on Monday, next Monday, our first new job is going to go to the repose. Sorry. Our first job is to go to the machine. All right? So anybody's listening? Come on. Come on. So what are we going to do? Any question? Do you have any question before we start? Any question before we're going to start? Anyone? Okay. Now the meeting is adjourned. You have to go for swimming. Go for swimming. Yes, you have any question? What's your question? What's your question? What about you? Do you have any question? Okay, you go now for swimming. You go. Come on. I don't have any food. What? You have question? Okay. What's your question? What's your question? What? No, that's okay. If you're asking about the salary, okay. It depends on your performance. Okay? What about you? Yes, all of you. I will increase your salary, but it depends on your performance. Yes. What else? What's your question? No. Do you have a free meal? Yes. Okay? So you'll have to go for swimming now. Come on. Just go for swimming. Okay, the meeting is adjourned. Okay, guys? What? Any question? Any more question?
Saan ang mga maraming baka? Saan ang may madaming baka dito?
Sa kwan, what's your question? Any follow-up question? Okay, adjourn. Okay, the meeting is adjourned. All right.